we create an instance of interfaces, you can look technically, technically you cannot make this, but you can create a new anonymous object that implements this interface. Let me show you how. I'm gonna remove this kind of interface and I'm gonna keep it like function interface, which is gonna be execute, and I will have another method which is called handle. So now we have two methods and one default like this one here. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do my function, which is like a reference to a new object that's gonna be creating, and let's say anonymous object. So now I'm gonna be creating. If you notice that this autocomplete for us, this will make a new object from a class, or basically new object, yeah, that implements this interface of my function. So if we tried it, you will find that we have override here and override here, and I'm adding semicolon here, and now we're creating a new anonymous object to handle this. And if you tried to add this variable here, you will find that we're gonna be including to my function here, but this is basically an anonymous class. So this is an anonymous object. I mean, this is like we have created anonymous object in memory, anonymous object, and now we're gonna be executing whatever we want here. So this is usually used, I believe, in like function programming more, when you really don't want to make kind of inheriting stuff and you just want to do something on the go, which is, I believe, streams and function programming. Yeah.